Hi everyone, and welcome to another video by Happy Place. Show you how to take care of and prep my inlays that I sell in my eBay store so that you can have them looking great, lasting longer, and give you the best performance. So I'm going to start off with showing you one of my medium, a 5-piece ocean set. This is the shark. This is my seahorse. This is the star. And this is just a fish. Now, if you can tell that these are closely shaven. Some of them may not come that closely shaved. So I'm going to show you how to shave them. And I have left the turtle as an example. Now, the turtle is shaven here, right around the legs and such. But if you notice right here on this leg, there's a little bit still hanging. Now you can cut that with scissors, or you can use cuticle cutters, which you can get at your local Dollar Tree. All I do is I just take the flat side of the cuticle cutters and I go right next to what I'm trimming, and I just snip. But you don't want to pull. You just want to let the cuticle cutters do the work. And then that just snips off that little bit. Oh, got a little bit more to do. And again, I'll show you. As I'm not holding this up correctly, but all you do is just snip that little bit of extra off. This is in the case of if you want to know how to trim your inlays. That's how you do it. You're just taking off that little bit of extra, which is right there, and you're just clearing it, making it smooth, so you get a good impression with your inlays. Now all these inlays are cuttable, bendable. Some of them are even shapeable if you want to make it a rounded. They're all high quality. They all hold the color very well, which you will see in a moment. They are very staticky as far as to make the color of what you're coloring them with, mica powder, chameleon powder. They do stick as far as to your silicone molds. Now some molds are very cheap silicone, and you will have to apply a little bit of extra to get them to stick. Now I apply like a mold release and let that dry, and that helps to stick this so they don't float in the resin. Sometimes I apply a alcohol spray, and then I set the inlay down, and that has it stick. But overall, these are very easy to take care of and maintain. When you're done using them, I advise you to wash them with a little bit of warm water and soap to get all the mica powder off, or chameleon powder, or whatever you choose to paint them with. Because this will stick right to it. And if you don't remove it in a pretty good length of time, it will stain the silicone. I have found that out with trial and error. But see how good that clings to that. Just that little bit of powder. Goes a long way. That's all it takes. Just keeping it trimmed. Keep it clean with a little bit of soap and water. Now, while you're in the process of using these, like I am right now, I'll take a baby wipe and I'll wipe it down. But as soon as I'm finished using it, I will wash these with some soap and water. But that's pretty much all you need to know. This is the essentials of taking care of an inlay. Or at least mine. So I thank you all for joining me in this very short video. I've had trouble getting videos out the last few days because of my computer. I've just emptied it, rebooted it, reset it. I'm hoping I'm good. So I hope everyone is happy and healthy. May your crafts turn out amazing. I hope you enjoy all of my inlays. I have many more to come. Please do check out my eBay store in the description. You all have a blessed day, and I will see you in the next video.